Hey, how's everybody today? Alright, today I'm modifying my drag that I built a couple of years ago, or retrofitted. There's a video on previously. And the cutting edges were wore down a bit. And so what I'm doing is adding more cutting edge. And we're going to drop it down a little bit more to get a little more cutting depth than what I had. I had two rails that kept me from going down too deep. And so I've got some of it started here. I'm going to flip the machine. And I'm going to flip the machine over so I can finish welding what I've got. So, and then we're going to go do a driveway, so stay tuned. Alright, I've got my groomer repaired. I'll show you what I did. Only if it doesn't break then I do what I do. I'm coming up to the driveway, and there's potholes and stuff like that, and we're going to try to straighten this up. So there's the unit. Right up today. Oh yeah. So that is digging mighty fine compared to what it used to. Nothing worse than getting a little bit of sod in. I'm going to get a little sod here. And we're going to come down this road and we're going to get into some rock as well. So I'm going to show you. Alright, I'm going to give you a little bit of a view of what the driveway looks like before I groom it. I am taking a swath down with the groomer as I'm doing this. But you can see that right there in front of the tractor right now, there's a little bit of area where the water has kind of eroded a little bit. The sides are growing in quite a bit. I want to have a discussion with him to see if we can move that back. At the very front of the driveway, there's a big water hole. He almost needs a little more material there. Overall, the driveway isn't terrible. There's a few spots you'll see down around the turn. There's a few potholes down there that needs to be repaired. But overall, the driveway is pretty good. I spoke to the customer when I came to look at the job and mentioned that there's a lot of rock in this driveway. He has a small tractor and he's got a box blade, and I can see why he said that he had a hard time doing anything with that, because there is a lot of rock, and you'll see as I go back and forth how much rock there is. Otherwise, this isn't going to be a very big job. We're going to get her knocked out pretty quick. I would like to wing back the sides. There's a lot of leaves on the outside edges of the driveway that's I'm going to deal with a little bit here, but I would like to move it back probably a foot to 2 feet on each side of the driveway to make so the water will run off the driveway as the water gets on the driveway and doesn't have to run down the driveway. But I need to talk to him before I do that. So here's one of the sections that had some potholes. Realistically, there wasn't a lot of potholes, but the new groomer will cut down through below the hole itself to clean it out, and then once we put the new dirt on it, it will refresh and make it all one. So that's one thing you need to do when you're looking after potholes, is dig the bottom of the pothole out. If you do not, you will get the pothole right back. It's just the way it is. So we're getting almost to the bottom, and then there's another couple of potholes just down around the corner here that we will look after. But if you see the driveway, if you look at it, it's hard to tell in the video, the driveway is concaved, but we're going to repair that. The groomer will actually put a 3 or 4 inch amount of dirt in the center so we can crown it. And here you can see the amount of leaves and junk that's on the side of the driveway that's not helping the water to run off the side. So we're going to try to clean that up a little bit. Like I said, I'd like to wing it back more than what I have right here, but I want to talk to him before I do it. I think at this point I've gone up and down the driveway a couple times. I think by the time I'm complete, I've gone up and down about 6 times, and the last trip I just kind of skim and try to clean up the edge and make it look really, really good. The groomer is working really well. It's got the ability to cut down about 3 inches, so I'm happy that the improvements that I did are working. And this is what I'm going to use on the ATV trail. So now that I've got it pretty much the way I need it, it's going to make life a lot easier when I do the trail. I am going to add a wing onto this so I can clean up the crap that's on the sides, the brush, leaves, that type of thing. And in this case, if I had the wing, I could have winged it back about 2 feet, and I want to make it so I can actually put a slope outwards so the water will run off. And I have an idea how I'm going to do that, and I just got to get at it and get her done. So I'm excited about getting that done on this machine. Other than that, this is working pretty good, and I'm pretty pleased on how it's working. Lots of adjustments. The only thing I'm not happy with at this point is the controls are pretty quick. I may have to put a hydraulic restrictor so the controls are a little slower. I think the back cylinders have a smaller hose, so it's a little bit slower to react, but the front cylinder moves a little quicker than I like, so I may restrict that down so it slows down. I don't need a lot of flow and a lot of movement. So, but other than that, this is working really well, and as you can see, it fills the blades really good, and then it levels it out on the back side. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's working. As I'm coming up through the driveway in this pass, what's your thoughts? How do you think it looks? I think it turned out pretty good. The groomer's working good. It looks a lot nicer than when I first started. What's your thoughts? Rocks are the worst. Watch a lot of people do work, digging, no rocks. Must be nice. driveways are non-maintenance free. What happens is people don't do anything for so long that by the time you need to do something, it's pretty rough go. We can work it out. That's when we got a lot of rock in it. A lot better than what it was. Man. The drag's coming pretty aggressive. I like it. Well, it looks pretty good. Better than it was. A lot of rocks. Makes it harder to smoothen out real well. We'll move a few of these off. We'll go up through one more time and we'll call her it. Looks pretty good. So I put some new cutting edges on there today. I extended it out a little bit past the rail on that side. I need to put a wing going that way to get rid of the leaves, any grass. So when I cut with that one over there, it won't take the leaves. I need to send the leaves out into the ditch. I also added another edge back here. So basically, as you can see, the rail isn't touching anymore. So the wheels can ride and it's not going to run on the rails. And that gives me a nice little lift to the center of the road. And it seems to be working quite nicely. It'd be nice to have an adjustment on these wheels, but it seems to be working pretty good. So I'm happy with that. All right, that's it for that video. Thanks for joining. And until the next one, stay safe, take her cool. If you've got a driveway that needs to be repaired, give me a call. We'll give you a good price and fix it right. Later.